card, it's my business card. The way it be setting the tone for me. I don't need a braid, but I be like, put it in the bag, yeah. When you see the max, they stack up like my ass, yeah. Go from the top to the booth, make it all back in one loop. Give me the loot, never mind, I got the juice. Nothing but never we shoot. Look at my neck, look at my neck. Ain't got enough money to pay me respect. Ain't no budget when I'm on the set. If I like it, then that's what I get, yeah. Okay, I got it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Godivabliss and I am back again with another hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these goddess braids. I think they turned out so dope. They look so good. If I do say so myself. No, but yeah, but seriously, I love this look. I think it looks so fresh and so pretty. It's just a modern spin on braids and it looks so good on everybody. And it was really easy to do. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got it. Stop what you're doing right now and please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be giving you guys hair tutorials, everything you need to know about natural hair care, beauty tips, workouts. Like there's so much content coming on my channel. So I need you guys to be here with me. Turn on your notifications so you can see the next time I post a video, and you know, like, comment, let me know. I want to interact with you guys. Let me know if you like the hairstyle. Let me know what styles you think I should try. Like literally, I'm here for anything. I'm here for you guys. So I just want to, you know, be in communication with you. So yeah, let's get into the hairstyle. You need two types of hair to do this hairstyle. You're going to need braiding hair, and then you're going to need some like curly hair. I'm using the Janet Collection Super Jumbo Braid hair in a color 1. This was just 99 cents at my 99-cent store. And then the other type of hair I use, I can't find the box for it, sorry. It's the Brazilian braid curl. I got it at the beauty supply store. It's like any kind of synthetic curl. If you can use like real bundle hair, I would suggest using that because it does this curl at the end. Like you can do more with it if you use like bundle hair. Let's just get right into what I did. Honestly, no need to drag it out. You take your braiding hair. You don't want these braids to be thick, so about this thickness is good. You separate it into 2/3 and 1/3. You wrap the 1/3 around the 2/3. And boom, you made 3 pieces of hair. Now you have your braid to start. On the actual section itself, you're gonna put some Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel. This is the extra hold one. And we're gonna put that all along our hair. So we're gonna use some edge control. And pop that right on the root too. Take that Brazilian curl that you had. I had a 26-inch, so I cut it in half. And then I'm gonna take just one strand, like half of that strand of curl, and just keep this inside because I'm about to use this. What I do is lay this part flat and then kind of start almost cornrowing. I lay it flat and then I take a piece and I start combining here with the braiding hair. So one piece, another piece, and then make sure I'm doing it real tight. Not too tight where I'm pulling out my edges, but tight enough where it really grasps. You cut it to kind of where you want the braid to end. I want it to be a lot of curly hair at the bottom since it's one of the front pieces, so I cut it pretty, I cut just that much of it off because that's where my braid is gonna end. So now when you're at this position, you take that braided hair, you leave some a little bit at the top, hold it just like this. Braid it in a bit. And then you take this piece to the side. I hold it with my mouth. You can hold it with a clip, but it's fine if you have these little frayed parts because we're just going to cut those off with scissors when we're done. So you're going to braid until about here. thickened section of it about this thick. The way I like to insert it so that there's no like awkward bumps, I kind of insert it section by section. So I'll show you what I do. Same way I added this here, I just added this here in as well. And then I'll add a little bit more. And that way, you have a seamless braid all the way through and you can't really tell where I inserted the hair. You continue to braid until all the braiding hair is braided out. Then to hold it at the end and to combine those two types of hair, you take a lighter, you burn the ends. Burn and roll. There you have it. I'll show you it once again on the other side. Everything braided up, I cut the ends to kind of give it a little bit of a layered effect. I like the way this looks, so I'm gonna leave it, but if you need to thin out the hair a little bit, feel free to do that. Since this is braiding hair and synthetic braiding hair at that, we're gonna dip our hair in the hot water. It also helps with those burned ends. It's gonna soften that so that's not, so the hair's not ripping at itself. While it's still wet, what I'm gonna use is this Curl Quench foaming mousse from Cream of Nature, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the actual ends. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little conditioner on the ends. And that's it. I'm gonna go through and do that with each section and then show you the final look.